From December 1st to December 24th, I will be posting daily videos. Each day, I will be making a different quilt block with you guys. I will get up, walk the dog, get myself a cup of tea, and pick a quilt block. And then I will cut the fabric and make it. This is my very first Vlogmas, and it may just be my last because it is going to be insane. Will you join me? Then don't forget to tap the notification bell to make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos. I think I'm ready to start. Are you? Now this is our last quilt block, which tells me two things. First, Christmas is just around the corner. Yay! And second, Vlogmas is almost done. Oh, to try and cheer me up, I've decided to go out with a bang. With not one, but two quilt blocks. Why? Well, first, 23 quilt blocks is a weird number to make a quilt with. Second, this tutorial actually makes 2 blocks at once, so why not? Now, these blocks are called Disappearing 4 Patch Quilt Blocks. I had never heard of it before, but the fact that they're so easy to make and that it makes 2 at a time has me totally convinced. Let's do this. A quick reminder that if you want to know about the materials, the tools, and the filming gear I used for this video, you can check out the links in the description.